Hello, in order to cast screen to TV on OnePlus Nord for 5G, we need to go to the settings. In the settings, you want to tap on connection and sharing, and then go to screencast. Then at the top, we have search for display devices, and then you will have the notification to turn on quick connect. So of course we need to press turn on. And if you do this for the first time, you have the option to access audio recording from the device to play it on the connected device. So of course, you probably want to enable this. And then you also have location. I'm gonna agree and continue over here. And the same goes with the nearby devices and location information. And over here as well. And there we go. Now we are searching for displays, and there we go. We have the list of available devices nearby. Over here you should be able to find your TVs. Now of course we also have the information that we need to make sure that this device and the display device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and the display device has screencast turned on. So these options or these requirements must be met before we try to connect. If we need to scan again, then of course after a short while we have the scan again button. We can press on it in order to search one more time. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.